Today we'll be creating some super fun and easy looks with our amethyst and lazuli pencils, which are cruelty free and have a new and improved formula. So start with your shade of the Ultimate Brow Define pencil. Use the dry brush to brush up your brows, then use the pencil to fill in any gaps, creating a feathered look. Then take your shade of the Brow Fiber Extend. This will give the brows a thicker, fuller look and will help set them in place. Now take our new and improved and super wearable Lazuli Blue pencil and gently draw it along the entire length of your upper lid, as well as along the waterline if this feels comfortable. Depending on how bold you want your look to be will determine how thick you create this line. Also, in order to get a nice, clean, sharp cat eye, make sure you sharpen your pencil beforehand with one of our cosmetic sharpeners. To really make your eyes pop, use our award-winning Goddess Mascara in black for bold, voluminous lashes. Here I chose to only coat my top lashes to create a more wide-eyed effect. To finish off this look, grab one of our new Bio lipsticks in honey for a subtle hint of colour. There you have it, a fun and easy cat eye look in no time at all.